Peace and blessings, YouTube family. I want to welcome you back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, it's Georgia Roots 24. I just got back from a week-long vacation down in Florida. You know, of course, when you're growing foods, you're always a little worried about what's gonna happen while you're away. If you're not there to water the food, what's gonna happen? In the past, we were away for a few days, came back, some plants died, some plants appeared to be dead, but after we gave them some care, they came back. While being away this time, I was a little nervous about what was gonna happen, but the good thing is, you know, God always makes a way. It rained a few days, at least 1 or 2 days. And so my garden didn't have any negative impacts. And plus, on a side note, I would never let something like that stop me from living life and going on vacation. But as somebody who loves to grow food, it is something in the back of my mind. So I just got back. Not a whole lot going on. Everything's still growing good. Did harvest the first 2 strawberries of the year. So I let my wife and my oldest son enjoy those. Everything's still sprouting and growing. And yeah, so I just wanted to check in really quick, show you all a quick garden update. And until next time, Georgia Roots 24. Get to try the red one. Yeah.
I can do it.
You can do it. Yeah, you can do it. There you go. Now wait. Now go get one for mommy. Look. Mommy's right here. It's another one, you see? You see the red one?
Yes.
Get that one too.
That's okay.
Yeah, get that one for mommy. You can do it. There you go. Yeah. See both? All right. There you go. Go show mommy.